We just made the world's fastest chocolate cake. Takes about 5 minutes. It's a really cool baking project you could do with your kids, your nieces, your nephews. Inspiration starts young. This is how we did it. Four tablespoons of cake flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Put an egg in a separate bowl and whisk it. Take 2 tablespoons of the whisked egg and add it to your dry ingredients. Stir the egg into the other dry ingredients. 3 tablespoons of milk. 3 tablespoons of oil. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Mix it all together. Personally, I spray the cup first with some nonstick spray so it comes out nice and easy. Next, put that whole mixture right into a coffee mug. Once that's done, put it in the microwave on high for 3 minutes. Once it settles and stops rising, then it's usually done. The cup might be hot, so be really careful, but check this out. Look at that. Now just set it to the side, wait about 5 minutes for it to cool off. Be careful, it's really hot. And that's the cake. Steaming too. That looks really good. 2 layers. To make it extra special, get some vanilla ice cream or any flavor ice cream and right on top. Now that we have baked the world's fastest chocolate cake in the microwave, it's time to give it a taste. It's actually not bad. It tastes like a Starbucks brownie. Wow. Well, as far as I know, this is the fastest chocolate cake in the world. I don't know of anything that you could bake faster than this. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you do this project with your kids or your nieces or your nephews. Kids love this project and it actually tastes like real cake. Doesn't taste like a chocolate rock. I'm gonna eat it as soon as I turn that camera off.